this bracket so I have more room. Use a 15mm socket. Take these two bolts out. Now take this bolt out right here. Use a 10mm socket. This one actually broke. Just slide that off. Disconnect the connectors. This light assembly is a little loose because a lot of it's broken, but you can just twist this light socket out, or you can just pull on that tab, disconnect the connector. And with this one, just push down on this tab and twist the socket and just slide it out. Move that to the side. Use a 7mm socket, and there's bolts around the perimeter of the fog light. Take those bolts out. And pull it out. Because this was broken, that was there, so don't forget that one. Take that out. The new assembly has this bracket, and there's an adjuster right there. If you need to adjust them, use a Phillips head screwdriver. I'll just slide this back in position, line it up, get the bolts started all around. This one you can't really see, you just gotta feel for it. And snug the bolts up. Now I'll put the light bulb back in, line the socket up, lock it in place. Sometimes these come with test bulbs, so it's a good idea to replace these, or you can use your original bulb. So just twist that out, twist the new one in, line it up. And there's a couple retainers that hold the wiring harness. If they're not broken like these, you can reposition those where those go. Now take that bracket and get the bolts started. I'm going to start this one over here first. And get these other two bolts started. And tighten these down.
This is going to be a general tutorial on how to aim your brand new TRQ headlamp assemblies. Okay, so looking at your brand new TRQ headlamp assembly, you're going to see where your low beam is, and you'll see a little dot right in the center. And that is the access point, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to mark that with an erasable marker, just so it's easier to see. Next, what we need to do is measure from the level ground up to this point and take note of that measurement. Now we're just going to pull the car up to our wall. On our vehicle, we remember that the measurement was 28 inches for our access point. Your vehicle may be different, but that's where I'm going to put this tape, just above that 28 inches. We'll do the same on the other side. Okay, so let's just back the vehicle up, straight back 25 feet from the wall. And now that we moved our vehicle 25 feet back from the wall, we're going to start with our measurement here. That's where the headlamp center is. We're going to go down 4 inches on the driver's side. On the passenger side, we have our line here. What we need to do is go down 2 inches. To adjust the driver's side, we're going to cover our passenger side headlamp. If you look at the back side of your headlamp assembly, you're going to see something that looks like this. This is the adjustment. Some of these headlight assemblies have 1, 2, or even more of them, but you should at least have one. This is how we're going to adjust the headlight beam. Now we're going to lower the top part of the beam down to just below this line. When you turn the adjustment to the right, it brings the beam up, and if you turn it to the left, it'll bring the headlight beam down. And this is this way on most vehicles. Let's continue on to doing the passenger side. All right, we properly aligned our TRQ headlamp assemblies. Okay, and on the quality TRQ headlamps for a pickup truck, the procedure is going to be the same. You're going to find your center dot, mark it, and then you'll measure from the level ground up to your dot. So once your headlamps are properly adjusted, it'll be time to adjust your fog lamps. You'll notice on the driver's side, the focal point is all the way at the bottom right now. I would like to bring it up so it meets up with approximately the bottom of the focal point of the headlight. Some fog lamps have an adjuster, others don't. The ones that do have an adjuster, you would just turn the adjustment to the left or to the right to adjust the beam up and down to where it needs to be. Now with your TRQ headlamps and fog lamps properly aligned, you can drive down the road safely.